In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PDF file in Squarespace. This can be an essential skill for anyone looking to share detailed documents directly on their website. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you can do this smoothly and effectively. First, you'll want to open up Google Drive and locate the PDF file you wish to embed in your Squarespace site. Google Drive serves as a reliable place to store your documents and makes the embedding process straightforward. Once you've found your file, click on it to open it up. You'll see your document displayed, and from here we can move on to the next step. Now notice the three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. That's your More Options menu. Click on it and select Open in New tab. By doing this, you ensure that we're focusing solely on this document and can access additional functions that will be critical for embedding. From your new tab, again click on the three dots to reveal your options and select Embed Item. At this point, an embed code will generate, which is essentially a small piece of HTML code. This code is what you'll use to add the PDF to your Squarespace site, so go ahead and copy this code. With the embed code copied, it's time to navigate to your Squarespace website editor. This is where we'll translate that HTML code into a visible PDF on your website. Once you're in the editor, find and click on Add Block, which allows us to insert new content elements on our page. In the menu that appears, select the Embed option. Squarespace's Embed block will provide you with a placeholder. Click on Edit to open up the text field where we'll insert the HTML code. Next, click on the Code Snippet option. Here's where you can place the embed code you copied from Google Drive. Click Embed Data to ensure your file is primed for Squarespace. Paste the embed code directly into the field and you should immediately see a preview of your PDF document right there in the editor. If everything looks good, the last thing to do is click Save. Congratulations! You've successfully embedded a PDF file into your Squarespace site. When you publish your updates, visitors will be able to view your document directly from their browser without needing downloads. This tidy integration not only maintains the flow of your content, but also enriches the experience for your site visitors. By following these steps, you've managed to enhance your website with valuable content. I hope this guide was helpful, and remember to subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials. Happy embedding!